The ninth group of the competition comes to us from right here in Indianapolis, Indiana.
And here to introduce them are two really well-dressed people, Sean Henley and Jill Diaforley.
Hi, I'm Sean Henley.
And I'm Jill Diaforley.
Franklin Central is under the direction of Rebecca Note.
And their choreographers are Damon Brown and Carol Bunce. The choir consists of 29 singers and dancers,
6 instrumentalists, and 8 backup crew members.
So please join us in welcoming the FC Singers.
Start their singing, let the flowers start to bloom. The Creator has created a new day for me and you. New mercies are abounding and life is everywhere. This is the day the Lord has made, yours and mine to share.
A prophet from the land of wise, in a crowd of people from the land of troubled hearts. I said we've come here for answers, a solution to our world's demise. He said the journey would be long, but here is where you start. Love one another, love one another.
just a kiss. A sigh is just a sigh. The fundamental things apply as time goes by.
They still say I love you, on that you can rely. No matter what the future brings as time goes by. Moonlight and love songs never out of date. Hearts full of passion, jealousy and hate. Woman needs man and man must have his meat. That no one can deny. It's still the same old story, a fight for love and glory, a case of do or die. The world will always welcome lovers as time goes by. Moonlight and love songs never out of date. Hearts full of passion, jealousy and hate. Woman loves man and man must have his mate. That no one can deny. It's still the same old story, a fight for love and glory, a case of do or die. The world will always welcome lovers as time goes There was a man like you and me, as simple as a man could ever be. And he was happy as a king, except for one peculiar thing. He had a clock that worked all right, ticked all right, but not exactly quite. Instead of going tick-tock, tick, the crazy clock went tock-tick-tock. The poor old man just raved and raved, because nobody could say why his silly clock behaved that hickory-dickory way. But now a famous man is he, owns a public curiosity. From far and wide the people flock to hear the syncopated clock. Tick-a-tock, 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 tick-a-tock. There's a sing in the swing of that clock. Talk-a-tick, 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 talk-a-tick. Don't you think it's a marvelous trick? Ting-a-ling, 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 ting-a-ling. There's a song in the ball with that ring. Ting-a-ting, ting-a-ting. Don't you think it's a wonderful thing? The experts came, so none of them could nothing. They called Professor Einstein too. He said,
There's nothing I can do.
Grizzly. Ricky boy. I got a little something I think we should do. What do you think?
Well, let's do it then.
There's an inn in Indiana with a very good clientele. To the junior jokes from the boy to Wikes who thought their singing swell. She's a voice so sweet and low, I guess her dress was even lower still.
Selling vocals.
To those yokels, was their voice important thrill? Important thrill. Should your career need a springboard, the best in the band. Rise and rejoice, all you need is a voice for the ladies who sing with the band. If you've a tropical voice, digestion is grand, digestion is you may be fine, the chin or nine, or Donnie or Janet or Helen or Rhyme. You're just what you know from a major or minor, the ladies who sing with the band.
From the beautiful Casanova Ballroom in Erie, Pennsylvania, the Mutual Network proudly presents
the very lovely,
the very adorable Bobby Joe, Bobby May, and Bobby Sue, the Bobettes!
In these scientific days, everyone's futuristic. So you'll find it always pays when you are modernistic. Here's a dance, stop guessing.
Now's a chance to take a lesson.
Peculiar goodness knows, here's the way it goes. Just hesitate, synchronate, follow the others. That's all time. That's all time. Your time. Go to the left, go to the right. Sway like you're on the tail of a kite. That's all time. That's all time. Mix it with slow motion. Stir it up with pep.
Get a sudden notion for a strut and step.
Up off the heels, down on your toes. Don't watch the road, just follow your nose.